Good day! Sa video na ito, i-discuss natin ang inverse trigonometric function. Okay, so kung i-recall natin ang nakaraang video, nakuha natin that the sine function, sine theta is equals to the opposite over the hypotenuse ng isang triangle, ng isang right triangle. For cosine naman, that's the adjacent side over the hypotenuse side, and for tangent, that is the opposite side over the adjacent side. Okay, now, ang problem natin, paano kung ang hinahanap natin ay ang angle theta? Okay? So, dito, gagamitin natin ang tinatawag nating inverse trigonometric function, kung saan ang angle theta is equals to sine raised to negative 1, or sometimes, or most of the time, we call that arc cosine. That would be arc cosine of the opposite side over the hypotenuse. In terms of cosine, angle theta is equal to the arc cosine of the adjacent side over the hypotenuse side. For tangent, that would be theta is equals to the arc tangent of the opposite side over the adjacent side. Okay, so let's have here a sample problem. A lakefront drops off gradually, and then we are required to find the depth at 22-meter distance from the shore, given that at 14 meters, the depth is 2.25 meters. So, let's say, meron tayo ditong tabi ng lawa. Okay? And then, the shore, okay, yung, ano ba sa Tagalog na, baybayin ng lawa, okay, ay unti-unting bumababa. Okay, let's say that at a consistent angle, theta. Okay, una nating nasukat that at a distance 14 meters mula sa shore, ang lalim ng lawa is 2.25 meters. Okay, now, lumayo pa tayo at 22 meters. Okay, gano'n na kaya kalalim ang lake or ang lawa? Okay, so first thing to do is to identify what are the givens that we have. Okay, so we have here 14 meters, that's the distance, no, mula dun sa shoreline. Okay, let's call this position A. Let's call this on position B. Okay, so at A, we have the distance, let's call this one D sub A is equals to 14.0 meters. Okay, at ang lalim naman at location A is 2.25 meters. Let's say, yung lalim na hinahanap natin is in terms of y, let's call that y sub A is equals to 2.25 meters. At location B, we have D sub B, which is 22 meters. Okay, ang hinahanap natin ngayon ay yung lalim sa location B. Let's call that y sub B. Let's say this is our unknown. Okay, so how we are going to solve this problem? So kung titingnan natin ang ating illustration, makakabuo tayo ng triangle mula sa position A and position B. Okay, provided that ito ang kanilang common point. Okay, we have our first triangle, the triangle 4A, that has the adjacent side of 14 meters and the opposite side of 2.25 meters. So definitely, pwede natin makuha yung angle theta na pwede natin gamitin para makuha ang adjacent side, ang opposite side for B, given that the adjacent side is 22 meters. Okay, so this is our first triangle, and this is the second triangle. Okay, let's find first the angle theta. Theta sub A is definitely the same as the theta sub B, which is our unknown. Okay, so to get theta B, you will see na meron tayong adjacent side, meron tayong opposite side. So, base dito sa ating mga inverse trigonometric functions, ang gagamitin natin ay si arctangent function. So, we have here theta is equals to the arctan of what is the opposite side, that is 2.25 meters, and what is the adjacent side, that is 14.0 meters. Okay, so pag ilalagyan sa calculator, ang lalabas is about 9.13 degrees. Okay, so ito na yung ating angle. So let's write it here that this is 9.13 degrees. Okay, now alam natin yung angle. Alam natin kung gaano kalayo si B mula sa shoreline. Definitely, pwede natin makuha kung gaano ngayon kalalim sa location B using the normal trigonometric function. Okay, so given the angle, given the adjacent side, we're looking for the opposite side. So we're going to use the tangent function. Okay, so ang hinaan natin is si y sa b. So y sa b is now equals to 22.0 meters times the tangent of 9.13. That is tan 9.13 degrees. Okay, so pag nilagay natin yan sa calculator, ang lalabas is about 3.54 meters. Okay, so the depth at position B is 3.54 meters. So this is our final answer.